Industry 4.0 is about connecting production data to unlock insights and drive operational efficiency. However, this convergence of diverse machines, systems, and use cases brings data integration and utilization challenges. To fully leverage industrial data, manufacturing enterprises need Cybus Connectware, a reliable middleware solution that acts as a factory data hub. It seamlessly connects production assets with IT systems, enabling Industry 4.0 and digitalization initiatives. Connectware offers multiple benefits: scalable data flow, real-time insights, and shop floor integration. It accelerates digitalization with a seamless infrastructure for IT and OT integration. Cybus Connectware operates on-premises or in the cloud, connecting machines and use cases through infrastructure as code. Additionally, it promotes collaboration between IT and OT. Asset connection templates, collaboratively created, can be configured by the OT through easy-to-use, no-code interfaces. IT reviews and merges configurations into the central repository, thereby serving as the data enabler for the entire organization. The central repository allows rollouts to multiple production sites, making it ideal for large enterprises with complex requirements. Cybus Connectware empowers manufacturing enterprises by providing a seamless solution to the challenges of Industry 4.0. Embrace the future with your factory data hub and unlock unparalleled efficiency. Get connected now.